Do you want to know the top benefits of the Chase Sapphire Reserve and how to get over $2,000 in value within the first year? Then keep watching. What's up, Wise Flyers? Welcome to another video. If you're new here and you want to learn how to travel anywhere in the world almost free by using credit cards and travel points, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss a thing. So the Chase Sapphire Reserve card is said to have been the best travel credit card that there is, and it's definitely at the top. I've had this card personally for 2 years and love all of the benefits that I get with it. In this video, I'm gonna go over all of the top juicy benefits of the Chase Sapphire Reserve card and give you dollar by dollar and show you exactly how to get over $2,000 in value within the first year. First, let's start with the SignUp bonus of 50,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points after completing a minimum spending of $4,000 in 3 months. With an annual fee of $450, don't be afraid of that annual fee. I'm gonna show you exactly how to get way more than $450 in value later on in the video. By the way, if you wanna apply for the Chase Sapphire Reserve card or any other cards with big SignUp bonuses, you could click the link below. By using our links, you support the site and it's still free to you. You get 3 points per dollar spent on travel and dining and 1 point for everything else. You get a $300 statement credit on anything travel related every year. So this could be flights, hotels, and a $100 statement credit for global entry or TSA pre-check. You also get the Visa Infinite benefits, such as $25 for food and beverage credit at Luxury Hotel Collection and complimentary car rental elite status with Silver Car. Speaking of rental cars, you also get discounts at National Rent-A-Car and Avis. As a Chase Sapphire Reserve cardholder, you also get a ton of travel protection benefits. So here are all of the travel protection benefits. I'm not gonna go through every single one, but you could get a lot of benefits from these. I think some of the best ones that I'll pick out are the primary rental car insurance, delayed baggage where you get $100 per day, trip delay protection and trip cancellation interruption insurance, emergency medical coverage, which could be really helpful if you are in an international country and you need help. And you also get purchase protection coverage, which means that you could get an extended 1-year warranty whenever you purchase an item that has a warranty for 3 years or less. So even if you just use any of those benefits once or twice, you're already getting way more than $450 in value right there. And every point that you earn with the Chase Sapphire Reserve is equal to 1.5 cents in the Chase Travel Portal. So that means your 50,000 Chase Ultimate Reward Point sign-up bonus will be equal to $750 in the Chase Travel Portal. One of the great things about the Chase Travel Portal is that there are never any blackout dates, so you could book your flights, hotels whenever you want. But keep in mind, these prices in the Chase Travel Portal are the same as you would find in any other online travel agency such as Expedia. You also get Priority Pass Select membership, which you could use at a lot of international airports and some domestic airports as well. That right there gives you a ton of value, and if you've never experienced an airport lounge before, it is an amazing experience that'll transform and spoil your airport experience forever. As a family, when traveling, we've used the airport lounges many times. It gives us a ton of free food, a place to shower, and sometimes provide beds. They even have little movie rooms sometimes for kids, which is great. For my daughter, who was 4 years old at the time when we were stuck in the London Heathrow airport for many hours, we got to watch a ton of kids movies and eat as much food as we wanted. If you want more information on airport lounges, you could click the link above. This next example, I'm gonna show you how to get over $1,300 in value with that 50,000 point sign-up bonus. So even though your 50,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points are worth $750 in value in the travel portal, which is pretty good, you could get a lot more value when transferring to airline partners or hotel partners. I give a great example of how to use the sign-up bonus with the Chase Sapphire Reserve card to get a one-way flight to Australia for only 40,000 Chase points and pay $28 in taxes. For more information on that, you could click the link above. In this example, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get over $1,300 in value from the 50,000 point sign-up bonus by booking 2 free nights at the Park Hyatt in the Maldives. So let's head over to Hyatt.com and I'll show you exactly how to do that. If we head over to the Hyatt website and we go to the Park Hyatt Maldives Haraha, I just want to show you a couple of pictures of the hotel before I dive into the prices. So it's a really beautiful hotel. They have the, if we scroll down to the pictures here of the hotel website, they have the overwater bungalows, and the hotel is its own island. As you see, there's nothing else on this island except for the Park Hyatt Hotel. It's really beautiful. It's definitely on my bucket list of hotels to go to. So if we go over to the prices now, if we look for November 16th to the 17th of 2019, and we're just going to do one room, we'll do the standard rate, assuming we don't have access to member rate here or the advanced purchase. So a standard room in the Park Villa, this is the cheapest room, would be $950 per night. So for 2 nights, that would be $1,900. And if we take a look at some of the pictures of the room, it's really beautiful. It's really spacious, it's luxurious, really beautiful room. So that's the price for dollars, right? So now if we go up a little bit and we click view points, it's 25,000 points per night. So if you were to transfer your Chase Ultimate Reward points from the SignUp Bonus, the 50,000 points, over to Hyatt at a 1-to-1 ratio, which you could do for free and it's almost instant, then you'll have 2 free nights in the Park Villa in the Maldives, which will save you $1,900. So you get a lot of value right there. And later on in the video, I'll show you how to get even more value from this card. But as you see, you get a lot of value with the Park Hyatt in the Maldives, but you could also use these points for all-inclusive resorts in Mexico as well as Jamaica. We actually use some points for our free all-inclusive resort in Montego Bay, Jamaica at the Rose Hall Zalera Hyatt. So now that you know all the benefits with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, I just want to go over some important application rules about it. So you're not allowed to have more than one Chase Sapphire card at once. That means you're going to have to choose between the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Chase Sapphire Reserve and keep one of those long term because you can't get both. And if you decide to get the Chase Sapphire Reserve card and then close it, you won't be eligible for the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve for 24 to 48 months. Also keep in mind the 524 rule, which means that if you opened up 5 cards or more in the past 24 months, you won't be eligible to open up the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. And to check your 524 status, you could click the link above to find out how. So now let's do the math and I'll show you how you could get over $2,000 in value within the first year with the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. So let's do the math with the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. I'll show you exactly how you'll get over $2,000 in value within the first year. So with the 50,000 point sign-up bonus, assuming you use that to get the most value out of it and do the 2 free nights at the Maldives, as the example I showed you, that's $1,900 right there. And with lounge access, with the priority pass, so let's just say you take a round trip to anywhere and with a partner, and you use the lounge access for your departing airport and your arriving airport. Usually lounge passes could range anywhere from $60 to $100, but let's just do the benefit of the doubt and make it $60. That's $240 in lounge access that you're getting in value right there. Then global entry, this allows you to cut security lines and cut border control. That's $100 you're getting right there. Then each year that you have the card open, you get an annual travel credit of $300, which is very generous. You could use that for almost anything travel related. And right there, you're at $2,540. And this isn't even included all the other purchase protection or trip delay insurance, anything like that. These are just the basic benefits. So with minus the annual fee of $450, you're a net positive of $2,090. So this is just within the first year, not using all the other benefits. You're over $2,000 in value. As you see, you get way more value than $450 with the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. So if you're trying to decide between the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you may look at the annual fee of $95 with the Preferred compared to $450 with the Reserve. But in actuality, it's only a $55 difference. The reason why is because you get a $300 statement credit with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which brings the annual fee down to $150 compared to the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which is at $95. So if you're going to choose between the two cards, that $55 difference, you have to make sure that you will be able to use all the benefits, because if you're not, then it may not be worth it to you. Overall, the Chase Sapphire Reserve has a ton of value, which is the reason why that I've kept this card for over 2 years. I definitely recommend this card being one of your first cards if possible. What do you think? Do you think the Chase Sapphire Reserve card has more than $450 in value? I would love to hear in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with someone who would benefit. And if you want to watch more credit card reviews, you could click any of these links over here, and I'll see you in the next video.